Welcome to Kids Wonderland Zone. Today, our topic is solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between Earth and the sun. When this happens, the moon gradually blocks out the light from the sun. If the sun and moon line up perfectly in the sky, we call it a total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipses happen when the moon completely covers the sun, and it can only take place when the moon is near perigee, the point of the moon's orbit closest to Earth. Annular solar eclipses take place when the moon's disk is not big enough to cover the entire disk of the sun, and the sun's outer edges remain visible to form a ring of fire in the sky. Partial solar eclipses occur when the moon only partially obscures the sun's disk and casts only its penumbra on Earth. Thank you for watching Kids Wonderland Zone. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.